the thrill of discovery has returned. With each new Android release, Google hides a playful Easter egg, and Android 14 is no exception. This year, they've taken us on a celestial voyage with Android 14's space-themed game, inviting you to become a captain of your own tiny spaceship. The Android 14 logo itself is a visual delight, featuring a rocket gracefully orbiting around an upside-down Android mascot head. This design is a homage to NASA's insignia for Apollo 14, blending Android's identity with the spirit of space exploration. Reaching the launch pad is simple. Just follow these steps below. Navigate to your device's settings. Within the settings menu, locate and select About Phone. Inside the About Phone section, look for the Android version entry. Tap it repeatedly and quickly unveil hidden treasures. Once you're in the Android version section, long press on the Android 14 logo. Hold it for a while and you'll initiate the launch sequence of the rocket, accompanied by subtle haptic feedback that adds a tactile dimension to the experience. Congratulations! You've successfully unlocked Android 14's space-themed Easter egg. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. As you enter the game, you'll notice crucial information at the bottom left, including your thruster percentage, coordinates, and velocity. The top left corner provides details about the nearest star, featuring an Android-related pun, class based on the Morgan-Keenan scale, radius, mass, and the number of celestial bodies in its orbit. Now that you're in control of your rocket ship, the objective is to explore the vastness of space. Use the coordinates to navigate to the center to discover the central star. From this point, venture outward to uncover the star's orbiting planets. A mesmerizing blue line will guide you, depicting the orbital paths of various celestial bodies. As you explore, you'll encounter the orbiting paths of planets, each represented by a distinct blue line. Follow these lines to land on planets, where you can gather information about them, from their composition to any fascinating detail they might hold. Whether you choose to peacefully explore or indulge in some thrilling crashes, the space-themed Easter egg provides a dynamic and engaging experience. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.